Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I'm going to be reviewing this PlayStation twin charging station. Honestly, this is like the official PlayStation one. I think it was like $21 before taxes and everything. So I'm a little surprised it was so cheap, but this is it. This is the official one. I got it from Amazon. So I'm going to set it up like right here and then see what it looks like. But yeah, honestly, it looks pretty nice. And it, like compared to like these other ones on Amazon that were like, you know, around 10 to like 20 bucks. I don't know. Once I saw the official one, I was like, you know what? I might as well just get the official one and set it up here. Because I think they all pretty much do the same thing, but I really like the PlayStation logo here. And it looks really simple. So let's pull it out and then see what it looks like right here. I'm going to connect it to my little slots here. Okay, so here what it looks like outside of the box. Wrapped it pretty well. I think I might have to use two hands for this, maybe. Yeah, let me put it down and take this out. It's pretty simple, smaller than I thought, honestly. Not too small, but definitely a little smaller than I thought. So yeah, this is, and here's the controller right next to it. So it's not that big. So yeah, let's set it up on my my TV stand over there, and then yeah, let's see what it looks like. Okay guys, so here it is. Next to the PS5, this is like the original one, I guess the thicker one. And here it is. I don't think there's like an on or off button. I think you just connect it and it should be charging it. I mean, it's connected from here at the bottom into this like outlet thing here. And it has like a hard, like the rubber at the bottom, so it stays. So it seems pretty sturdy. Again, I thought it was gonna be a little bit bigger, but still not that bad. Let me know what you guys think about it. Honestly, it looks pretty good. It doesn't look too, I guess maybe it's a good thing it's not too big. So here it is, guys. It's mounted. I have my PS5 under here, under this cover. Pretty cool cover, just a cover from dust. And then here's the remote. I was thinking it was like, it is definitely wireless in terms of connecting the remote, but I thought it would be like just literally like no connection, but it looks like there's like little metal pieces down there and it connects to that down there. So as long as it sits directly on here, then it should work. It does sometimes have an issue, but for the most part, it does sit in place. But I'm happy with it.